Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to print something black and white in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to print something black and white. Firstly, insert something. Now we can see we insert a picture and a man picture and text is black. Now we colorable this text. Select the text, go to the text box menu and applying the color. Now we want to print this page black and white. Firstly, go to the file menu, then go to the print section and we can see the page is colorable. Now we want to make this print page black and white. Select this option and choose the grayscale color, and we can see we make this page grayscale or black and white very easily. Now we print this page in black and white format. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.